In the face of escalating climate change and environmental degradation, the concept of green jobs has emerged as a crucial element in the global effort to transition towards a more sustainable future. Green jobs are roles that contribute to preserving or restoring the environment, whether through limiting greenhouse gas emissions, minimizing waste and pollution, protecting and restoring ecosystems, or adapting to the effects of climate change. These jobs are not only vital for the health of our planet but also present significant opportunities for economic growth, innovation, and improved quality of life. In this discussion, we will explore the multifaceted importance of green jobs and their role in fostering a sustainable and resilient future. One of the primary objectives of green jobs is to limit greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions, which are the leading cause of global warming and climate change. Jobs in renewable energy sectors, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, play a crucial role in reducing dependence on fossil fuels and lowering carbon footprints. By promoting the development and implementation of clean energy technologies, green jobs help mitigate the adverse effects of climate change. Moreover, roles in energy efficiency, such as those in building retrofitting and sustainable construction, contribute to reducing energy consumption and emissions, further supporting global climate goals. Green jobs also focus on minimizing waste and pollution, which are critical for maintaining healthy ecosystems and communities. Positions in waste management, recycling, and sustainable manufacturing aim to reduce the amount of waste generated and ensure that materials are reused or recycled rather than ending up in landfills or oceans. Green jobs in this sector promote the circular economy, where products are designed for durability, reuse, and recyclability, thereby reducing the overall environmental impact. Additionally, roles in pollution control and environmental monitoring are essential for identifying and mitigating sources of pollution, ensuring cleaner air, water, and soil. The protection and restoration of ecosystems are fundamental components of green jobs. These roles involve activities such as reforestation, habitat restoration, and conservation of biodiversity. By preserving natural habitats and restoring degraded ecosystems, green jobs help maintain the balance of our planet's ecosystems, which are vital for providing essential services like clean water, air, and food. Conservation biologists, environmental engineers, and land management professionals work to safeguard endangered species, rehabilitate damaged landscapes, and promote sustainable land use practices. These efforts not only enhance biodiversity but also contribute to the resilience of ecosystems against environmental changes. As the impacts of climate change become increasingly evident, the need for adaptation strategies has become more urgent. Green jobs in climate adaptation focus on developing and implementing measures to protect communities and infrastructure from climate-related risks such as extreme weather events, sea level rise, and changing precipitation patterns. Roles in this area include urban planners, civil engineers, and climate scientists who design resilient infrastructure, create disaster response plans, and develop sustainable agricultural practices to cope with changing climatic conditions. By enhancing our ability to adapt to climate change, these jobs help reduce vulnerabilities and build more resilient societies. The importance of green jobs cannot be overstated. They are instrumental in driving the transition towards a more sustainable and resilient future by addressing critical environmental challenges. By limiting greenhouse gas emissions, minimizing waste and pollution, protecting and restoring ecosystems, and adapting to the effects of climate change, green jobs contribute to the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. Furthermore, they offer significant economic and social benefits, including job creation, technological innovation, and improved public health. As we continue to face the pressing challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, The promotion and support of green jobs will be essential for achieving a sustainable and prosperous future for all.